Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the iTel Smartwatch Fit O20. And on this video, we are going to have a demo on one of its smart features, and that is the smart notification. So we will see if it works with app notifications as well as SMS notifications. So let's check if it works with Facebook, WhatsApp application, as well as Instagram. So we do have here some of the apps. So we'll have the demo of these applications. So if you want to know if it works with these applications as well as SMS, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's start and have a demo of the smart notification. So we are already paired with the support app. So this is the support app, the iPulse. And let's see, let's set the push notifications. So let's activate some of the features here. Okay, look for the app, grant the notification access. Next, let's activate the WhatsApp application. Okay, messages for SMS. Then we have the Instagram, Facebook and Messenger, and other apps. So we don't have a Viber here, so it is belong to the other section. Then Bluetooth calling, we'll set that later on. SMS quick reply, so we have a quick reply feature here. We'll allow it. Let's see if there are some options. Okay, you can edit. I'm on my way. So let's change it. This is the test. Save. So we have three predefined messages here. So I guess everything is set here. Let's see. Okay, the only way to know if it works if we have a demo of its smart notifications. So we have here our other smartphone. Okay, so let's try first with the WhatsApp application. So let's open the app. Then let's say hello. Hello, iTel Fit. Message sent. And we have here the message. Okay, so there's no quick reply, as you can see here. I guess the quick reply is for the call. Okay, but we do have the logo here for the app. We have the message, and we have the date and the option to delete the message. And next, let's try to have a call. Okay, start voice call. Continue. Okay, while using the app. So let's have a demo of the Bluetooth call or the app call. So as you can see here, we do have an incoming call. With a WhatsApp, you can answer the call or you can end the call here. Okay, so it works with the WhatsApp application. Let's say with a Messenger. So let's say hello. 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 iTel. Message sent. So there's a delay. And we have the message. Okay, hello iTel. So we have here the date, the name, and the message. Let's see if there's an option here on the settings for the messages. I forgot to set it. Display, phone, grain, passcode, display, wrist race. Okay, so there's no option. Okay, but so far the messenger works. Let's have another one, but we'll use an emoji. Then hi. And we have here, the screen did not light up, but we do have here the message. So there's no support for emoji. Okay. But we do have the name here and the message. Okay. For the call, let's try allow. Okay, let's wait. It's now calling. And we have here the audio call, the missed call. Okay. So it works with our Facebook Messenger. Next, let's have the Instagram. Then let's send. Okay, for the Instagram, so let's say hello. Hello, iTel. And we have here the message. How about the call? It's now connect. Okay, ringing and end call. So we have here the notification. Okay, you miss an audio call from Cindy. Again, it works with several applications, as you can see here. Okay, so where's our message notification? So we have here the messages. Okay, you have an option to delete one by one, or you can just clear it all. Okay, the last one for the app is the Viber. It is selected on the other options. Let's see if it works. So we have Sam here. Let's say hello. Okay, let's send. Let's see if it will work. Okay, nope. Hello again. It's not working. Hello, Sam. Let's see if we receive the notification here. So we have here the messages, but we did not receive any notification. Although it is set there that it can receive from other application. Hi again. Okay, it's not working. Let's go back again to the settings. How are you? Message sent. So there's no support for our application Viber. We did not receive any messages. I don't know why. Okay, although it is set here that we have other options, did not work. Okay, but so far it works with a Messenger, WhatsApp application, and Instagram. Next, let's have the SMS. Now that we are done with the app notifications, let's check out the SMS notifications. So we have here our phone. So let's send a message. Then let's send a message to Sam. Hopefully it will work. Okay, let's say hello. Message sent. And let's see. Okay, and we have here the text message or the SMS notifications. So similar to app notifications, so there's an option for, or there's a message and the time, date, and an option to delete the message. We have the logo here and the name of the sender. Okay, So far it works with SMS as well as app notification, except for the Viber. Okay, did not work with the Viber application. So that's it for our push notification demo, app notification demo for our iTel Smartwatch Fit O20. If you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. And of course, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye!